What's good with y'all niggas? For it, Lords of Power series on this. Law number 40. 8 more laws of this. 8 more videos. It'll be good. So what does it say? It says be wary of those who give you gifts. Or in this other case, decline free gifts. So why? So why should you decline free gifts? You get to look at everything from a psychological part. Everything has a motive. Someone doesn't just give you free stuff just for the free stuff. For example, me. Sometimes I may give you free stuff. Like for example, I might buy you something. I might buy you something because it's your birthday. If that's your birthday, you don't want. That's my reason for buying you. Otherwise, if it was just another day, I wouldn't buy you shit. Right? You see what I'm saying? So what does it say about the free stuff? It says you have to despise the free things that people do for you, because this creates a psychological effect on you that makes you obliged to repay them when they ask you for a favor in later in life. Right? You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Like everything has two options, there's two sides. Either as an advantage or disadvantage. This is a disadvantage. So you just need to understand don't accept free favors. It's as simple as that. You'd rather be hard headed, like stubborn, say like nah, I'm good, I'll do it this way. When they say they know, you see, you gotta just you need to know like okay, I can't give them the satisfaction of helping me out for free because they know that okay, they're never gonna come to me. Because nothing in this world comes for free. Alright. But this does not mean you can't use it to your advantage. Because when you give people multiple gifts, it gives them a sense of need to repay you. And you know what that means? They're on your thumb, under your thumb. Right? And yeah, that's really basically it for this one because like this one is very straightforward. I don't gotta explain that much. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. Let's get straight into this move. We're moving.